Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this class, we will see solution for exercise 1.6. So in that first main, if x and y are two sets, here they have given x and y are two sets, such that number of elements in set x, that is given by n of x, that equal to 17, and number of elements in set y equal to 23, and number of elements in x union y equal to 38, and we have to find number of elements in x intersection y. Already we know the formula. Before that, write down what they have given. What are the given things? N of x, number of elements in set x is 17, number of elements in set y is 23, and number of elements in x union y equals to 38. We have to find number of elements in set x intersection y. Okay, we know that n of x union y equals to, now previous class there formula, number of elements in x union y equals to what? Number of elements in set x plus number of elements in set y minus number of elements in x intersection y. And really, set naming change formula is there. So previous class I have taken A and B are the two sets. So I use number of elements in set A union B equals to number of elements in A plus number of elements in set B minus number of elements in A intersection B and use quantity. But they have given x and y are the two sets here. So that's why I have changed this A and B by x and y. Okay. Now substitute the values. This value is 38. Number of elements in x union y is 38. And number of elements in set x is 70 plus number of elements in set y is 23. So we don't know this value, we have to find this. So that's why keep as it is. So this equals to 38, 17 plus 23, this is 40 minus n of x intersection y. We have to find this value, number of elements in x intersection y. So transfer this to LHS side. This becomes minus LHS plus side n of x intersection y equals to 40 and transfer this 30 to this side. Plus 38 minus 38. So final answer is number of elements in x intersection y equals to 14 minus 38. Okay, note down this. Second question. If x and y are two sets such that x union y has 18 elements, x union y has 18 elements, that's why given thing is n of x union y equal to 18. And next one is x has 8 elements, x has element, that's why n of x equal to 8. X ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನ n of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, next number of elements in set y, y has 15 elements, so 15 elements. So we have to find how many elements does x intersection y have. So now therefore n of x intersection y equal to, find this one. We know that already formula use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. n of x union y equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Now substitute the values. What is n of x union y? That value is 18. That equals to n of x is to that 8 plus n of y is 15 minus. We have to find this value. Keep as it is. X intersection y. And what is 8 plus 15? This is 23 minus n of x union, x intersection y. So transfer this n of x intersection y to LHS side. This becomes minus plus convert n of x intersection y equal to 23. Transfer this 18 to that side. Plus 18 minus 18 agata. So therefore, number of elements in x intersection y equal to 23 minus 18. This value is 5. Okay, note down. Third main, in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Both Hindi and English. So direct ಆಗಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in a group of 400 people 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ನೋಡಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಈ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಚ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಿಂದಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋರಿಗೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ಇ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಎಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ who can speak Hindi. So set H na people who can speak Hindi anta tagolli, and set E, this is set of people who can speak English anta tagolli. English set aur kottilla alli direct kottilla, so we have to define now. So what are the given things given? So number of elements in H union E. Total ಜನ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? H union ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. The people who can speak Hindi as well as English ಎರಡು ಮಾತಾಡೋರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. So number of elements in H union E equals to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ total ಆಗಿ? A group of 400 people. This is 400. And 250 can speak Hindi. Number of elements in set H. H means a set of people who can speak Hindi. Hindi ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? That is 250. So n of H is 250. The number of element in set E means set of people, number of people who speak English. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 200. So what we have to find? How many people can speak both Hindi and English? ಇಲ್ಲಿ and ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. And whether you have to use intersection. So you have to find n of H intersection P. Already we know the formula n of H union E, that equals to, so replace that previous formula x by H and y by E, same formula. N of H union E equals to n of H plus n of E minus n of H intersection E, same formula. Substitute the values. So what is n of H union E? That is 400. N of H is 250 plus n of E is 200 minus. We don't know this value, we have to find it. Keep as it is. This implies 400. What is 250 plus 200? This is 450 minus n of H intersection E. So we want this value transfer to LHS, minus becomes plus agata 450, and transfer this 400 to that side. This implies n of H intersection E equals to, what is 450 minus 400? This is 50. So this is the required value. Okay. So number of people who can speak both Hindi and English equals to 50. Okay, note down. Next, fourth question. If S and T are two sides, here already they have defined S and T are the two sides, such that S has 21 elements. S has 21 elements. N of S equal to 21. T has 32 elements. N of T equal to 32. And S intersection T has 11 elements. N of S is intersection T equal to 11 elements. How many elements does S union T have? So we have to find this one. Okay. We know the formula. What is N of S union T? Ali same formula. A replace agi S ida, B replace agi T. Same formula. So N of S plus N of T minus N of S intersection T. Substitute the values. This value is, what to find this one? Keep as it is. N of S 21 plus this is 32 minus 11. This equals to N of S union T equal to, just agata 53 minus 11 This implies n of S union T equal to what is? This is 42. So number of elements in S union T equals to 42. Okay. Note down. Next, fifth question. If x and y are two sets such that x has 40 elements, x has 40 elements, x union y has 60 elements, n of x and y equal to 60, and x intersection y has 10 elements, n of x intersection y equal to 10. How many elements does y have? So you have to find number of elements in set y. Okay, already we know the formula. N of x and y equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. Okay, substitute the values. This is 60. This equals to. So what is n of x and y? That is value is 60. Then n of x equals to 40 plus n of y. We have to find some keep as it is. N of y minus number of elements in x intersection y. That is 10. So this implies 60 equal to 40 minus 10, 30 plus n of y. So we have to find this value, keep here only, and transfer this 30 to this side. Transfer n 60 minus 30 plus minus this equals to what? N of y. So what is 60 minus 30? This value is 30. So number of elements in set y equals to 30. Okay, put down. Next, sixth question. In a group of 70 people, 37 like coffee, 52 like tea, and each person likes at least one of the two drinks. Here, out of 70 people, each person likes at least one of two drinks. Here, only one like ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, how many people like both coffee and tea? Like okay, first we have to define what is set of people who like coffee and what is set of like people tea. Okay, solution. Let C and coffee and tea and let us see set of people who like coffee and tea and set of people who like tea and consumer. Okay, now write given things. What they are given. So n of C union T. So total number is 70. You don't like at least each person likes at least one of the two drinks. Idana like coffee like or tea like total is 70. So n of C coffee like 37. Then tea like 52. What they have asked here, how many people like both the coffee and tea, means we have to find the n of C intersection T. Okay, we know the formula. N of C union T equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. Substitute the values. This is 70 equal to 37 plus 52 minus. We have to find this value, keep as it is. This implies 70 equals to what is 37 plus 52? This is 89 minus n of C intersection T. We have to find this one. Transfer to LHS side. N of C intersection T equal to 89. Transfer the 70 to that side, minus 70. Therefore, number of element in C intersection T means number of people who like both equals to 90. 89 minus 70. Okay, not down. Next question, 7th one. In a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis? How many like tennis only and not cricket? How many like tennis? Totally 2 question. Okay. How many like tennis? So first we have to define set of people who like cricket. So what is let C is what? Let set C denote the set of people who like cricket and set T denote the set of people who like tennis. So given thing, so number of people who like both, either they might like cricket or tennis, that equals to total ಎಷ್ಟು group 65 people. So n of C and T equals 65. So n of C cricket like ಎಷ್ಟು 40. So I don't like more 10. So n of SC intersection T equal to 10. So we have to find how many like tennis only and not cricket, means n of T minus C. And how many like tennis and n of T equal to question mark. We have to find these two questions. So first we have to find this one, n of T. First is the formula on that. So we know the formula, n of C and T equal to n of C plus n of T minus n of C intersection T. So substitute the values. So what is n of C and T? That is 65 equal to n of C equals to 40 plus n of T. We have to find this one, keep as it is, minus this value is 10. So this equals to 65, 40 minus 10 is 30 plus n of T. We have to find this one. Transfer the 30 to this side. 65 minus 30, that equal to n of T. So this equals to 65 minus 30. This is 35. So number of elements in set T means number of people who like tennis equals to 35. So next we have to find one more thing, n of T minus C. Okay, n of T minus C ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ in a whole n of T union C ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನನಗೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ T ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಐದರ್ ಟೆನ್ನಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಲೈಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ n of C. You will get the answer. What is n of T union C? n of C union T ಎಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ T union C ಎಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ what is the value of n of T union C? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, n of C union T ಎಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ n of T union C ಎಂದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. Okay, this value is 65 minus what is n of C? It is 40. So number of people who like tennis but not cricket, number of people who like tennis but not cricket equal to 65 minus 40, this is 25. Okay, note down. Next question. In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 speak Spanish and 10 speak both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? How many speak at least? Either they may speak French or Spanish. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಭಾಷೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, let F denote, set F denote people who speak French and set S denote people who speak Spanish. ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ so what are the given things? Number of people who speak French is 50, Spanish mother 20, then the number of people who speak both, 10. So we have to find how many people speak at least one of these two languages. Right? Either they may speak French or they may speak Spanish. So at least one of the two languages we have to find union another. Okay, what are the formula? N of S union C equals to N of F. That's N of S minus N of F intersection S. Okay, this value goes to, so we have to find this one, keep as it is. So what is N of F? That is 50 plus 20 minus 10. This equals to N of F union S equals to 17 minus 10. Therefore, people who speak at least one of these two languages equals to 60. Okay, note all this.